Okay, this is my yesterday's example. Yesterday, whatever I covered, but I'm going to give you a new example based on the same topic today. Okay, let's take an example where we have percentage of marks for 10 students. Okay, let's take an example where we have percentage of marks for 10 students, boys, girls, doesn't matter, 10 students and their percentage of marks. So first I'll say n is equal to, in square brackets, names of 10 students. So I'll say Amit, Reena, Lata, Sheena, Geeta, Preeti. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Vasu, Shilpa, then we have Anu, we'll take short names only, and the final name is Pragati. In square brackets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 names, okay? Now, on x-axis, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 children. On y-axis, we have percentage of 10 children. So 65, 70, 45, 30, 55, 95, 85, 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Somebody scored 90 and somebody scored 80. Okay. That was the percentage. We have taken pre-list. Now I'll say MP dot var. In the bar, I have to specify x comma y. On the x-axis are the number of students. On the y-axis is the percentage. And I will say label is needed here. Do I need to give label here? I'm asking something. If I'm asking, I'm expecting an answer for that. Yes, boys and girls. Are you there in the class?
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question?
I said, do we need the label attribute here in the bar? Do we need the label attribute here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Why?
ma'am.
Why? Why do we need the label attribute here? Tell me.
Ma'am, to specify which axis shows which data, like the
See,
percentage
label
or the.
is not for specifying the axis. Label is, suppose I have two things that I am plotting on the chart, graph, chart, whatever it is. If I have two things, जैसे इसमें पहले वाले एग्जाम्पल में था height of men and height of women. तो men were 5, women were 5. Height for men and women cannot be taken under the same bracket. So I have to specify height for men and height for women. So I will say one minute. Just give me a second. I need to clean this क्योंकि मेरा शायद वो इंटरनेट की प्रॉब्लम हो रही है आज. मौसम भी अच्छा नहीं है. Just 1 minute. I'm cleaning the history and everything. Okay. So what I was saying was, height of men and height of women are two different categories. They cannot be clubbed under one. Now when we have two different things that are being displayed on the chart, one in a different color and one in the some other color, then I need to have a label to tell कि इस कलर का लेबल जो है वो किसके लिए है और इस कलर का लेबल जो है वो किसके लिए है. Okay, so right now I don't need a label, but even if I give a label, it will not create any problem. So I'll say label is equal to percentage. That's it. And I want the color to be green.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes.
Ma'am, your voice is lagging a lot.
Why? I have cleaned everything now. Yes, boys. Other.
No, ma'am, it's not lagging.
Ma'am, now it's clear, but before it was lagging a
Ma'am, it's
lot.
okay.
So I say color is equal to green. I have given all the three attributes. Axis, second is label, and third is color. Ticks. कल मैंने उसको गलती से X sticks पुट पढ़ा था. It was not X sticks. It is X ticks. X ticks means what I want to appear on the X axis. मुझे वो numbers चाहिए कि numbers के नीचे actual people के नाम चाहिए. So I will say N comma X comma N. X is the number of students and N are the actual names of those students. Okay? So then I say MP dot X label, and X label is the X axis label, number of children, and MP dot Y axis label, number of, not number of, actual percentage. Yeah, or you can say just percentage. Bracket complete, enter. So MP dot title percentage of 10 children. Okay, and as I have given the label attribute in the bar, I will have to specify the legend. Even if I don't specify the legend, doesn't matter. And I will say show. Okay. Once again, if you have any doubt, don't worry about it. Yes. You see what happened with the legend? This is my legend here. There is only one particular color, that is one particular bar in the whole chart. So it means everything is percentage. See the names at the bottom. Can you see the names at the bottom? The
Yes,
percentage here.
Yes, ma'am.
That is what X-Tix is doing. Suppose if I remove the statement, X-Tix का statement मैं remove करती हूँ. I say double slash, not this slash. Comment कैसे देते हैं? Hash से देते हैं. हाँ. / was in Java. So I say run, see what will happen. The names will be gone and it will just display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. वो भी पूरा नहीं आ रहा है, वो ऑल्टरनेट डिस्प्ले कर रहा है ऑटोमेटिकली. आपको समझना है इट इज 1, 2, 3, 4 एंड सो ऑन. ठीक है. So
Yes, ma'am.
there is one more thing I need to show you here now. Suppose आपने देखा यहाँ पे अगर मैं ये नाम देती हूँ तो क्या होता है, नाम थोड़ा सा बड़ा है, एक स्टूडेंट का नाम जो है थोड़ा सा बड़ा है. I will remove this hash and rerun the program again. Okay. See Sheena and Geeta. गड़बड़ हो गया ना, थोड़ा सा ओवरलैपिंग हो रहा है. इफ शीना वी गिव द होल नेम ऑफ शीना, दैट विल आल्सो क्रिएट प्रॉब्लम. शीना विल बी ओवरलैप्ड बाय गीता. ठीक है. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट वी कैन डू टू, मतलब वी कांट हैव अ 100% solution for this. We will have to have a solution that will help us to achieve certain integrity in the output, that is it is readable at least at the end. So just
Ma'am,
give me, yes.
ma'am, while writing the program, in case if we forget to write the legend function, so will it bother in like exam? I mean, marks deduct hoga ya? Then it's fine.
No, if they are expecting like it is only for 2 marks, if the question is only for 2 marks, then you can't have the x label, y label, legend. 2 marks के लिए क्या क्या करोगे, है ना. तो यूजुअली व्हाट हैपेंस इज दे गिव यू द ग्राफ इन द पेपर. जैसे ये दिख रहा है ना ग्राफ फिगर 1 में, एज इट इज दे पिक इट अप एंड पेस्ट इट इन द पेपर. एंड व्हाट दे विल डू, they will say कि you are supposed to write a program in Python which will help you to get this chart. अब जैसे आपका चार्ट दिख रहा है, अगर उसमें लेजेंड होगा, it means you will have to write the legend statement also. अगर उसमें x label, y label होगा, then you will have to use the x label, y label statement also. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, one last thing left for this particular xsticks. Xsticks, you can turn the angle of the what do you call, angle of the name. जैसे ये horizontal है, अमित, रीना, लता, शीना, गीता, ये हॉरिजॉन्टली डिस्प्ले हो रखे है, लेकिन आप इसका एंगल भी चेंज. Okay, I'll say here in xsticks, I'll say comma rotation is equal to 45. I'm rotating. See, the angle of the names has got rotated by 45 degree. If I find that this is also not giving me what I am expecting, जैसे अभी भी कोई नाम कट रहा है, then I can again rotate it by some more degrees. This is degree, no doubt. ठीक है. So if I say 90, run module, okay. See, नेम उसने वर्टिकल कर दिया, आपको 90 डिग्री में टर्न कर दिया. ठीक है. नाउ इफ यू से आफ्टर बियॉन्ड 90, जैसे और 45 इसमें ऐड कर दे रहे, 90 प्लस 45 इज 135 एंड इट रोटेट्स बाय 135 डिग्री फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट, मतलब हॉरिजॉन्टल लेवल से 135 कर देते हैं, तो कोई यूज नहीं है ना उसका. वो फिर ए इस राइट हैंड साइड की तरफ आएगा और AMIT, मतलब अजीब सा लगेगा. वी विल डू दैट ऑल्सो एंड सी, ताकि आपको ये एंगल का अंदाजा आ जाए. 135. ऑल दीज क्वेश्चंस विल बी आस्क्ड इन MCQs. ठीक है. बेसिकली ये जो रोटेशन क्या है एंड व्हाट इज कलर एट्रीब्यूट विद द बार, all these things will be given in the MCQ questions. Out of 70 we have 21 or 22 MCQ questions. See how it got rotated. So 45 was best. Okay. अभी और भी इसमें attributes है, but we don't need to go into depth of all those things because Python जितना आप पढ़ोगे ना, उतना कम है. Like earlier we used to say it for C or C++, कि जितना C और C++ पढ़ोगे उतना कम है. You need to keep on updating yourself. But now we are saying the same thing for Python. उसके सामने C and C++ was nothing. ठीक है. So इग्नोर कि हमें ये भी पढ़ना है, वो भी पढ़ना है, वो भी पढ़ना है. वी कांट कवर एवरीथिंग, वी जस्ट नीड टू स्टिक टू आवर सिलेबस. तो जितना सिलेबस में था उतना तो मैंने आपको बता ही दिया है. उसके आगे भी थोड़ा सा ये एक्सटिक्स वगैरह सिलेबस में आपके है, लेकिन इट इज अंडर MCQ ओनली. नोबडी इज गोइंग टू आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन, मतलब nobody is going to ask you to represent a chart for that. So what all charts have we learned till now? What all charts have we
Line graphs, scatter diagram, and bar diagram.
Yeah. If you notice notice or if you compare the three charts properly, you will see that X label is there in all the three charts. Y label is there, legend is there. Only the command that is changing is, or the function of matplotlib.pyplot that is changing is, for scatter we have scatter, for line we have plot, for bar we have bar. That too, for bar horizontal we just have, no, for vertical we just have bar, and for horizontal we have bar H. Is it clear? So I'm going to
Yes,
give you
ma'am.
some questions as homework. Please note them down. And using which chart you're going to use, that you will decide depending on the question. Okay? Write a code, first question. Write a code to plot the speed of a passenger train, as shown in the figure given below. As shown in the figure given below. So what you are supposed to plot the speed of a passenger train starting from the origin of from where the train is starting, and it is say it is going to travel for about 100 kilometers suppose. ठीक है, तो sometimes its speed will be high, sometimes low, sometimes it will be stable. You have to take any 10 dummy values, and at an interval of 10 kilometers you have to show the speed of the passenger train. Did you get my point?
Yes, ma'am.
I will repeat the question once again. You have to plot the speed of a passenger train which is traveling for 100 kilometers. So from the place where it starts, it is 0 kilometers and it is going to go up to 100 kilometers. After the interval of every 10 kilometers, you have to plot the speed of the train. ठीक है, जैसे 10 किलोमीटर्स के बाद किस स्पीड से ट्रेन ट्रैवल कर रही थी, दैट यू आर सपोज टू प्लॉट ऑन द चार्ट. You will have to do this with the help of a line, scatter and bar. तीनों तरीके से इस क्वेश्चन को करोगे. ठीक है, देन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Okay. Given below is the data. Given below is the data about several airlines. Now, when they're talking about several airlines, the airlines are repeating over there, and they have 10 airlines that are given. The first one is Air India. लिखते जाओ कहीं पे. The first one is Air India. Then the second one is SpiceJet. The third one is Jet Airways. Fourth one is Indigo. Am I too fast?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Fifth is again Air India. Sixth is Go Air. Seventh is Jet Airways. Eighth is SpiceJet. Ninth is Air India. And 10th is Go Air. ठीक है, 10 कंपनीज हो गए. अब उन्होंने दिया है फ्लाइट अराइवल शेड्यूल. फ्लाइट अराइवल शेड्यूल, एक दिन में कितने आवर्स होते हैं? 24 आवर्स होते हैं. उसके हिसाब से उन्होंने उसका फ्लाइट का अराइवल टाइम दिया है. ठीक है, सो फॉर द फर्स्ट फ्लाइट इट इज 11 o'clock. सेकेंड फ्लाइट इट इज 20 hours, मतलब 20.00. 20 hours is 8 o'clock in the evening. Then 23 hours. Then 18 hours. Then 16 hours. Next is 12 hours. Next we have 19 hours. Next then we have 8
Ma'am, what
hours.
was before 16 hours?
16 से पहले था. Can anybody help her out,
Ma'am,
please?
18.
हाँ, बिकॉज यहाँ पे ना नंबर्स गड़बड़ दे रखे हैं.
Okay.
मैं चेंज करके दे रही हूँ आपको. So you can take your value also. See to it that the number doesn't go beyond 23. Because when it comes to 24, again it is 0, right?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो now you take after 10 you take 8, and then you take 9. You have to draw a vertical, not vertical, horizontal bar chart, which will display the name of the airlines on the y-axis, and the flight arrival timings on the x-axis.
Ma'am, please repeat the statement.
You are supposed to draw a bar chart, horizontal bar chart, where you have to show the flight names and the flight arrival time on the x-axis. Okay?
I'm done.
So that is all for today. Please do this as your homework. Tomorrow is a holiday, I suppose, for classes, online classes. Do it. And when I ask you, the class should not